Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HandBrake on Windows for efficient video transcoding. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. In the address bar, type handbrake.fr and press enter. This will take you to the official HandBrake website. On the home page, locate the download section. Click on the download button for the Windows version. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download finishes, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the HandBrake installer file, which typically has a name like HandBrake xyzwin_GUI.exe. Double-click on a security prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. The HandBrake setup wizard will open. Click Next to continue with the installation. Read the license agreement, and if you agree, click I agree. Choose the destination folder where you want to install HandBrake, or click Next to proceed. You may be prompted to select additional components to install. It's recommended to leave the default options selected. Click Next to confirm your selections. Now, click on the Install button to begin the installation. The installation process may take a few moments. Once completed, the setup wizard will display a completion screen. Make sure the option to run HandBrake is checked, and click Finish. HandBrake will now open for the first time. You may see a prompt for updates. Ensure your software is up to date. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, which includes options for source selection and preset configurations. To transcode a video, start by clicking Open Source and select the video file you want to convert. Choose your desired output settings from the right-hand panel. When ready, click the Start Encode button at the top. HandBrake will begin the transcoding process. Monitor the progress at the bottom of the window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.